gonna do a brain rot challenge. It's my grandpa's birthday.
Mama, a girl behind you. Back down. Dad, at high birthday. Mama, that
I need.
Mama, that bird.
Wait. Wait.
Anong tax? Wala larong to pinapagawa ng anak mo sa'yo, ng anak mo. Hindi lang natatawa. Para sila lang. Basahin ko lang daw. Ano to? Paanong tax? What the seed?
Oh gosh.
Meron pa ba?
Do one more. I need. Thank you.
Kuya Ian. Parang inaano niya yung pronunciation natin.
What is this? Fine shit. What? Level 10 Giat. Nonchalant redhead. Mama, a girl behind. Toilet ring. Okay. Pigmentation. What the Sigma? Sigma boys.
Oh my gosh.
Negative aura.
Oh gosh.
Swap house.
Thank you.
Where's the who's at?
I don't know.
Mama, that burns. Time out. Ang dami niya ng pinaganaglaro. Okay.
I will read. Okay, skibidi toilet free. Nonchalant redhead.
Why are you laughing?
Ganun pa lang eh.
Don't do that. I need more.
I'm crying. Wait, hold on. Can I have? Oh wait, I need to refill it.
Okay. Ilang magawa itong mga tuwa.
I'm laughing because of you.
Brain rot.
Don't laugh.
Tralalero. Hindi pala yan, iba pala yan. Bago lang pala yan.
Skylar, makamasok ka naman.
Dapat pala nakaano. Hey Pax! Hey, let's go! I thought you were gonna watch a video.
Okay.
Hey Pax, get closer. Get closer here. Yeah, like that one.
Level 10 white. Fine shite.
Why? What? Hindi mo rin.
boys.
Sigma boys. Low taper fade.
Ano ba to?
Ano, brain rot. Walang ibig sabihin.
The two of us o I'm the only one?
What?
Negative aura. Sigma boys. Ano ba?
Very, very confused.
Low taper fade. Mama, a girl behind you.
Why?
Alam mo,
Ano
hindi
ba
ko
yun?
gets.
No.
Pax, Papa.
Hey, Pax.
Does at hyperpigmentation. Mama, that burns. Hyperpigmentation. Mama, that burns.
Wait. Okay.
Ewan ko sa inyo.
What the sigma?
Phantom tax. Hindi ko alam kung anong laro to pinapagawa ng anak mo sa akin. Hindi naman ako natatawa. Para sila lang.
Brain rot.
Basahin ko lang daw. Ano to? Phantom tax. Earn what the sigma. Oh, finish. Meron pa ba?
Do one more.
Why? Papabasa. Ayaw.
Kuya Ian. Sige, Kuya Ian. Oh, ako magbibideo. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Yay.
Parang inaano niya yung pronunciation natin.
What is this? Fine shit? What? Level 10 Giat. Nonchalant redhead. Mama, a girl behind you. Hindi ko rin alam yun. Ito lang alam ko. Skibidi toilet Ruiz. Okay. Hyperpigmentation. Phantom tax. What the sigma?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Sigma boys. Negative aura. Bop house. What? Where's the who's at? Ano yun? Ano basta dun? Mama, that burns. Ayun na, nabasa mo na lahat.
No more.
No more.
I'm out.